Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your credit card account on the USAA Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usaa.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official USAA Bank website. Now from the home page, click on the log on button at the top right corner first, and then you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your online user ID and then tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. Type in the password that you used while setting up your account and then you will be logged into your account right away. Now once you are logged in, click on the credit card option and now this will take you into your credit card page for your USAA Bank account. If you didn't sign in before coming into this page, then you will once again find the log on button which you can click on, and after logging into your account, you will directly be taken into your credit card page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on the USAA Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.